In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Looker Studio template. Looker Studio, previously known as Google Data Studio, is an incredible tool that helps you turn your data into informative, easy to understand reports and dashboards. Today, you'll learn how to create a template that can be reused to keep your reports consistent in style and layout, which is especially helpful for marketing campaigns or monthly performance reviews. To kick things off, you'll start by navigating to Looker Studio's website. Simply type lookerstudio.google.com into your web browser's address bar and hit enter. This will take you directly to the main page of Looker Studio. Once you're on the main page, you'll see various options, but for now, you need to click on Home. This takes you to the dashboard where all your projects are displayed. It's the starting point for all the magic you're about to create. Before you can dive into the world of data visualization, you'll need to log in. Enter your email address when prompted, followed by your password. Make sure you're entering the credentials for the Google account that has access to Looker Studio. With your details correctly entered, click on the Login button to proceed. Now that you're logged in, you're ready to get down to business. Navigate directly to the Looker Studio section by following the provided link, which will direct you to the area where you can start building your reports. For our purposes today, we'll work on editing an existing template, specifically the marketing campaign report. It's a great starting point as it offers a comprehensive layout that you can customize according to your needs. Click on the marketing campaign report to choose it as your base. Next, let's enter the editing mode to start personalizing this template. Click on Edit to unlock all the customization options. This is where your creativity comes into play, allowing you to tailor the template to your brand or project-specific requirements. One of the most impactful ways to customize your report is to adjust its visual appearance. Click on Theme and Layout to explore the different aesthetics you can apply. Looker Studio offers a variety of themes and layouts that can dramatically change the look and feel of your report. This includes options for color schemes, font styles, and backgrounds. As you explore the available themes, select one that aligns with your branding or the message you want to convey with your report. The layout options also let you adjust how your data is presented, such as how charts and graphs are organized on the page. By selecting a theme and layout that reflects the essence of your data, you create a more engaging and cohesive report. When choosing a theme, consider the context of your report. For a more corporate setting, you might opt for a clean, minimalistic theme, while a vibrant and colorful theme might be more appropriate for creative projects or presentations. The key is to ensure that the theme complements your data and makes your report more accessible and pleasing to your audience. After selecting your desired theme and layout, take a moment to preview your changes. Make sure everything looks exactly how you want it. This step is crucial as it's easier to make adjustments now rather than after your report is filled with data. Finally, it's time to apply the changes and enjoy your newly customized template. By following these steps, you've laid a strong foundation for your Looker Studio report, one that you can build on with your unique data insights. Remember, the strength of a Looker Studio report lies not only in its visual appeal, but in its ability to convey complex data in a straightforward and comprehensible manner. So, as you move forward with adding data, charts and text to your template, always keep your audience in mind. Your goal is not just to present data, but to tell a story that is meaningful and impactful. And there you have it. You now know how to create a personalized Looker Studio template. With this skill, you're well on your way to producing visually appealing, informative reports that can help drive decisions and highlight important trends. Thank you for being here today. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and has inspired you to dive into your data with creativity and clarity. Remember, the more you practice, the more proficient you'll become. So go ahead, start experimenting with Looker Studio and unlock the full potential of your data.